Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do a lot of skincare reviews on my channel, so if you're interested, then please make sure that you're subscribed so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. In today's video, I want to talk about the Vya Naturals 5% Niacinamide Serum. I've already reviewed their turmeric and tea tree face wash. That was a brilliant product, and I mentioned in that video that I was testing out another product and I'm going to review another product from this brand, and the product is this niacinamide serum. The price of this product is 695 rupees and you get 30 ml quantity of it. It comes in a dark glass bottle and it has a pump dispenser. Most of the serum comes with a dropper sort of dispenser, but this one has a pump, which is much better, I feel, as compared to the dropper dispenser. The texture of the serum is very watery as compared to a lot of other niacinamide serums that I've tried, which is great for people with like extremely oily skin, and even if you have dry skin, you can still try this because of this like watery sort of texture. It is like very quick absorbing into the skin. So as usual, because it's a niacinamide serum, it contains niacinamide, and this is the complete ingredient list. It contains 5% of niacinamide. It also contains aloe vera extract and sodium hyaluronate. This is a fragrance-free serum. Let's see the claims that they are mentioned on their website, and here's what they say. Renews and restores the surface of the skin, pH of 5.5 to 6.5, ideal for all skin types, and it is lightweight formula, cruelty-free, vegan, artificial color and fragrance-free, paraben and sulfate-free, makes skin healthy and glowing. So these were all of the claims which they have mentioned on their website, and I agree with all of the claims. It is a very hydrating serum. Anyways, niacinamide is very good ingredient for the skin and it doesn't dry out the skin, but still this adds a little bit of extra boost of hydration to the skin. It's a very lightweight formula. It is great for oily skin, but mostly all skin type people can use it. And not just that, in case you are new to any sort of serum and you have never used niacinamide as well, you can definitely give the serum a try. This is ideal for people who have never tried niacinamide or any other serum. I love the ingredient list. It is great. It is fragrance free. It would suit acne prone, sensitive skin, and even beginners to any sort of serum, and even beginners in niacinamide can give the serum a try. This is just perfect. I love the overall ingredients, the overall formulation and the texture. It just feels amazing. Ever since I started using it, my skin was like so hydrated and it looked so healthy, and this is great if you have acne prone skin, because you get the most out of niacinamide as compared to any other serums that I've tried before. There are a few serums that I've tried that contain other ingredients, like azelaic acid along with niacinamide or some other ingredient along with niacinamide. So in case you want to get the most out of niacinamide without having any other active ingredient, then this is great, and that is why I say that this is beginner friendly, because they haven't added any other active in this serum along with niacinamide. So this is like just ideal and perfect for people who have never tried out niacinamide or any other active before. This wouldn't give you any sort of breakouts or any reaction on your skin. They mentioned this is for all skin types, and I completely agree. Not only oily skin, but all other skin type people can definitely use this, and niacinamide usually doesn't cause any reaction in people, especially used at 5%. When it is used at 5% concentration, it is extremely safe, but this is like the safest of all niacinamides. On how to use the instruction on their website, they say apply 3 to 4 drops on cleansed and toned skin, follow up with moisturizer, can be used twice a day, AM and PM. As they have mentioned in the instruction, they say 3 to 4 drops, but I was using 2 pumps of this serum in my nighttime skincare routine, sometimes in the daytime also, but mostly I was using it in the nighttime routine, and it really made my skin look healthy and glowing. I think this is one of the best niacinamide serums that I've tried so far, and I would say that I would highly recommend it. So that is all from my overall review of the Vya Naturals Niacinamide Serum. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're share, subscribe for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. In case you want to check out the turmeric and tea tree face wash review of Vya Naturals, then I'll leave the link in the description box below. So that's it from today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.